BGMI, Battleground Mobile India, lag problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So if you're facing lagging problem on your BGMI Battleground Mobile India, this video is absolutely for you. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So basically, first of all, check out your network internet connection, whether it is good or not. So if it is not good, then you might lag, your game might lag. So make sure that your internet connection is well okay and good. The second thing what you have to do here, you have to go to your file manager and check your data, check your storage. So here you can see I have 128 GB. So to play BGMI you need to have at least 30%, I mean 30% of your total GB or total RAM, I mean total storage less. You have to be like 30% less of your total GB memory. And the third thing what you can do here is you have to go to your phone settings here. After going to phone settings, scroll down and go to this app management option, or install apps, or application manager, or app manager. Now here this type of interface will be pop up, and then you have to search for BGMI. Here it is. Simply click here and click on force stop button, and then you have to stop the force and click on storage usage, and then you have to clear the cache here. So after doing this, just go back and check whether the problem has solved or not. So guys, if it is solved, then that's great, and if it is not solved, then what you need to do here, I'm gonna show you. You have to go back to your phone settings and go to you can see here system updates or software updates, and then click here, and whether you have to check whether your system is asking for an update or not. So if it is asking, make sure to update your system, and that might help you out to fix the problem. So this is how you can do that, and if your system is very weak, then you need to change the phone. So that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon on the next video.